Dealseek app, new trending app in US where you can search for promo codes. So Dealseek free app finds hidden promo codes, coupons, verified price drops to help you save money every day. So, in tough economic situation right now in US and Europe and everywhere, like people just want to save some money, find some promo codes, you save $5 there, $10 there, 30 there, and you can just, if you do it like often, in the end of the month, you can see you literally saved like few $100s, which, for some people can be quite a nice boost. So here you have the app. You can see top 50 deals. So for example, instead of like $35, you pay like 20. Then you see promo codes for brands ending soon. You can see then just explore these deals. And then you just have it like that, kind of like, I think these are deals for like Amazon, right? So if I just go, then I can just see the deal on Amazon. So instead of just shopping directly on Amazon, you can use this app, and via this app you only shop things which are discounted. You can shop by brand, you can shop by categories, and you can see your profile, you can see like deals, and then also so you can also use my code, and then you can just, here's my code, use my code, and when you sign up, use it, and then I'm getting a free entry to some giveaways. So that's kind of the idea, and that's where you have it. So I don't know, then I can just see it like that, but basically that's the idea. So they have referral codes, and that's what you have. I mean, quite nice, easy to use, a well-designed app. If you shop on Amazon, definitely check it out, because again, instead of you doing all the filters yourself, all the research yourself on Amazon app, here is just for you. Like you see, all right, these are the top featured deals right now in tech, for example, on Amazon. Then you can see you can have some GBL AirPods, like, some nice things in here, and these are instantly deals you have in the app.